Hello everybody. So quick video to start the day on MSTR, and then I'll have longer videos later today. MSTR and stretch. Is it risk off? What's going on? Are we risk off? I am recording this as MSTR is up 8.05% and Bitcoin is at 69,740 exactly as I record this. So are we seeing some sort of a risk off move in Bitcoin off of the back of, one of the worst geopolitical developments in, years, I want to say. It's like a really bad geopolitical thing happening right now. As far as uncertainty goes, there's a lot of uncertainty. Not a good news cycle. Bitcoin's up, gold's up too, but Bitcoin's up. So this is a pretty big deal. Amazing news for MSTR. Therefore, we are slightly overperforming, not too much, but slightly overperforming Bitcoin. Of course, MSTR is up because Bitcoin is way up. MNAV 1.22. This is a good MNAV. This is a good moment to ATM on the common, right? You're selling $1 for $1.22, and of course today is Monday. He bought more. He bought 204 million worth of Bitcoin at 67.7. So it is a rare moment when Saylor actually acquires Bitcoin for less than it's going for right now. Bitcoin going for at 69,700 right now. So $2,000 less than what Bitcoin's trading at right now. Good for Saylor. And of course, most of the buy still to this day came with the common ATM, right? It was a common ATM that was responsible for much of the buy. And it's not worthy that stretch. Unfortunately, last week, we only had Friday. We only had that Friday last week where we could do stretch. So he still managed to do $7 million worth of stretch ATM on that Friday. So this kind of settles the question of, is he ATMing at night? I don't think he can ATM at night. Someone in the comment section told me, well, can he ATM in overnight market? I don't think he can. I think this shows that he can't. Because, yes, stretch was above 100 multiple times last week on Robinhood and other brokers in after-hour market, but during the market was only on Friday. Right now, stretch is way into the green. Stretch is so into the green, actually, 100.09 about an hour into the open today. So that was really, really good, and we are still above 100 on stretch, which means that he's ATMing hard right now. The market is welcoming that 11.5% dividend rate increase. And so my hope and my guess is that we will have the biggest stretch week in the history of stretch this week. That's really, really my guess and my hope. Knowing a little bit of an anecdote, I've been really enjoying Stretch.live to show you the estimates. Stretch.live is offline right now. It doesn't work right now. Maybe a lot of people are trying to pull up that website. Maybe there's a little demand going on. APYX, which is the stable coin backed by Stretch, is going all in on marketing. They posted this nice 1-minute AI generated video. And again, I don't know how quickly APYX updates their website, but when I dig into the DeFi app, I see 16 million in TVL. So 16 million, so that yesterday there was 13 million. So I think there is adoption of that stable coin going on. That's kind of what I think. We'll see how much that translates in APYX actually, because this is APX USD. But then again, why would you have APX USD if you don't want to get APYX? So the stable coin is doing well from what I can see. Stretch is doing very well with Saylor probably relentlessly ATMing, trying to get it back to 100. And so one of the deductions we can make here is that you can probably ATM much more when stretch gets to like 100.09 or 100.10 than 100.01. That would probably explain what that Friday, the raise for stretch on that Friday last week was not as good as many of us would have hoped. Even Stretch.live had estimated much more than $7 million, which is still pretty good. But my guess is that once we get these big spikes at 100 100.10, that's when you can really ATM hard on stretch without having the price go below 100. So my guess is that it's what's happening. It's working under the hood. This company is working. I am so happy to own MSTR. It's a long-term, very long-term hold for me. So anyways, this was not investment advice, not financial advice. This is only entertainment. I'm hoping you were entertained. Please like, please subscribe, follow me on Patreon, follow me on X. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.